Upgrading windows is often viewed as a major home improvement decision, but it's also one of the smartest long-term investments homeowners can make. Energy-efficient windows do more than improve comfort. They reduce ongoing costs and help protect the value of the home. For homeowners in Loves Park, installing energy-efficient windows can deliver significant savings over time while enhancing everyday living. Lower energy bills year after year. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient windows is reduced energy consumption. Older windows often allow heat to escape in cooler weather and let unwanted heat enter during warmer periods. This forces heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient windows are designed with insulated glass and tight seals that limit heat transfer. In Loves Park houses, this means heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently, leading to lower monthly utility bills that add up to substantial savings over the years. Reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows perform well, HVAC systems don't have to run as often or as long. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize indoor temperatures, reducing the workload on heating and cooling equipment. For Loves Park homeowners, this reduced strain can extend the lifespan of HVAC systems, helping avoid costly repairs or premature replacement. Fewer maintenance and repair costs. Older windows often require frequent maintenance due to seal failure, frame damage, or operational issues. Energy-efficient windows are built with durable materials designed to resist wear and environmental stress. In Loves Park houses, this durability means fewer repairs, lower maintenance costs, and more predictable long-term expenses. Improved comfort that pays off. Daily savings aren't just financial, they're also about comfort. Energy-efficient windows reduce drafts, eliminate cold spots near windows, and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. For Loves Park homeowners, a more comfortable home reduces the need for supplemental heating or cooling solutions, contributing to lower energy usage and better daily living. Protection against moisture-related damage. Poorly performing windows can allow moisture to enter the home, leading to damage that requires costly repairs. Energy-efficient windows feature improved sealing and moisture control that help protect interior walls and framing. In Loves Park houses, preventing moisture damage helps homeowners avoid expensive restoration projects and preserves the home's structural integrity. Long-term energy cost stability. Energy prices can fluctuate over time. By installing energy-efficient windows, homeowners reduce their dependence on heating and cooling energy, providing a buffer against rising utility costs. For Loves Park residents, this stability offers peace of mind and predictable household expenses. Increased home value and market appeal. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades often attract more interest from buyers. Energy-efficient windows signal quality, comfort, and modern improvements. In Loves Park, this can translate into higher resale value and quicker sales if homeowners choose to move in the future. Environmental savings that add value. Using less energy also benefits the environment. Energy-efficient windows reduce energy consumption, which lowers the home's overall environmental impact. For Loves Park homeowners, this environmental responsibility adds another layer of value to the investment. Professional installation maximizes savings. To achieve maximum savings, energy-efficient windows must be installed correctly. Proper installation ensures tight seals and optimal performance. In Loves Park houses, professional installation protects the investment and ensures long-term savings are fully realized. A smart investment for Loves Park homeowners. The long-term savings of installing energy-efficient windows extend far beyond initial cost reductions. Lower energy bills, reduced maintenance, improved comfort, and increased home value all contribute to a strong return on investment. For homeowners in Loves Park, energy-efficient windows are a smart, lasting upgrade that delivers financial and lifestyle benefits for years to come.